In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Vidiq subscription via PayPal. First, open your vidIQ app. Make sure you're signed into the correct account you want to upgrade, ideally the one connected to your YouTube channel. On the sign-in screen, enter your email and password, then tap Log In. A quick tip: keep the app updated so the checkout screens look exactly like what you see here. Before we start, have your PayPal login handy so the linking step is quick. Once you're in, open the menu bar, the three horizontal lines usually at the top left or top right depending on your device. In that menu, choose Upgrade. This takes you to the pricing page where you can compare plans. Take a moment to review what each plan includes and whether you prefer monthly or annual billing. Annual plans often lower the monthly cost but charge upfront. Also note the currency and any taxes that may apply based on your region, so there are no surprises. After you pick the plan that fits your needs, tap Continue. You'll arrive at the checkout screen with an order summary. Here, look for the payment method section. There's a small arrow or drop down next to it. Tap that to expand your options. By default, you might see a card option selected. Choose Add PayPal. The app will guide you through linking PayPal. Typically, a secure PayPal window opens in-app or briefly in your browser. Sign into your PayPal account, choose your preferred funding source, and confirm. For security, only enter your PayPal details on the official PayPal page. You shouldn't be typing that information directly into the vidIQ fields. If you have PayPal purchase protections or a primary funding method set, PayPal will reflect that here. Once PayPal is connected, you'll land back on the vidIQ checkout with PayPal listed as your payment method. Double-check the plan, price, and billing frequency, then tap Subscribe. The payment processes, and you'll see a confirmation that your upgrade is active. Features included in your plan will unlock automatically, and you should receive a receipt by email. If you need to change plans later, you can return to the menu and visit billing settings to manage your subscription. If something doesn't load, refresh the screen or check your connection and try again, then resume from the checkout page. That's it. Open the app, log in, head to Upgrade, select your plan, choose PayPal as the payment method, link it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded vidIQ experience with PayPal convenience.